John Erickson from St. Luke's Historic Church and Museum in Smithfield, Virginia. But today we're in Perquimans County, North Carolina, just outside of Hertford at the Newbold White House, a house that was built in 1730 by Abraham and Judith Sanders, Quakers who fled oppression in Nansemond County, Virginia, our neighboring parish of St. John's, Chuckatuck, and came here to North Carolina, which was a haven for Quakers from the 1670s onwards. George Fox stayed here in North Carolina during his trip in 1672, the same year that our neighboring parish of the Somerton Quaker Meeting House was established over in Nansemond. Join us on August the 7th for our last part of our summer series on Quakers in Virginia, and we'll talk a little bit about Quakers in North Carolina as well.